Guys, I'm being harassed in my own home. मुझे इतना परेशान किया गया है पिछले 4-5 सालों में कि मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई है।
Actress Tanushree Datta has shocked the internet once again, this time with serious allegations about being harassed and followed inside her own home. Here's what she revealed in a recent interview. Tanushree Datta, who became one of the leading voices in India's Me Too movement, has now claimed that she's been facing disturbing experiences for years. She said, just like Sushant Singh Rajput, there are attempts being made to kill me. She even warned of a larger plot, calling it a conspiracy involving the Bollywood mafia gang. Tanushree added, I urge the government to provide me with security. This mafia is huge and dangerous and I fear for my life just like Sushant must have. She said this is the first time she's speaking up about what's been happening behind closed doors. Back in 2018, Tanushree made headlines when she accused veteran actor Nana Patekar of sexual harassment, sparking the Me Too movement in Bollywood. Now, she claims that ever since then, there's been constant, suspicious activity around her. She revealed, I've been followed constantly. I've been harassed. A maid was planted in my house to spy on me. Tanushree also said she plans to approach the police soon. I will file a complaint tomorrow at the police station, she said. She urged the authorities, I request the authorities not to treat this as a continuation of my previous case but to look at this with a fresh perspective and help me get justice. She made it clear that she's not trying to reopen the old Me Too case. I'm not trying to reopen the old case. I only want action on the new incidents that are endangering my safety, she explained. Tanushree ended with a strong message, saying, ever since I spoke up against Nana Patekar, I've been followed wherever I go. My career has been destroyed. What do you think about these shocking claims? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.
Guys, I'm being harassed in my own home. मुझे मेरे ही घर में परेशान किया जा रहा है. I just called the cops. परेशान होके मैंने पुलिस को कॉल किया. पुलिस आई. And they've asked me to come to the police station to launch a proper complaint. I'm going to probably go tomorrow or day after. I'm not well. मुझे इतना परेशान किया गया है पिछले 4-5 सालों में कि मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई है. मैं कुछ काम नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. मेरा घर पूरा एकदम मेसी होके पड़ा हुआ है. I can't hire even maids because they planted maids in my house. And I had such a bad experience with maids coming in and stealing and doing all kinds of things. I have to do all my work. मेरे दरवाजे के बाहर आके लोग I'm being troubled in my own house. Please, someone help me.
Bollywood's newest sensation Aneet Pad is making waves but not just for her acting. A recent viral video from outside a salon has got the internet talking. Aneet Pad, who stars opposite Ahan Pandey in the hit film Sayara, was recently spotted outside a salon. Dressed casually in blue denim with a matching shirt, Aneet looked effortlessly stylish even with her mask on. But as soon as she stepped out, fans and paparazzi quickly surrounded her. One fan tried to take a selfie, but Aneet gently said no. The moment was caught on camera and the clip has gone viral. The internet is now divided over her polite refusal. One user criticized her saying, "Ek movie karke itni nautanki," while another commented, "Who is she? Why they want to click a selfie with this kind of attitude? No one should go behind them. Let them to feel like they are normal people like you and me." But many came to Aneet's defense. A fan wrote, "डर रही है यार उसका ये first time है थोड़ा space too." Another added, "Give her space guys धीरे धीरे आदत हो जाएगी." Meanwhile, Sayara continues to shine at the box office. Directed by Mohit Suri, the romantic musical tells the story of Krish Kapoor, a passionate young musician, and Vani, With emotional depth, beautiful music, and heartfelt performances, the film has drawn comparisons to hits like Aashiki 2 and Ek Villain. Aneet may be new to fame, but she's clearly learning to navigate the spotlight. Whether it's a hit movie or a viral moment, one thing's for sure, all eyes are on her. What do you think about the video? Should celebs always stop for selfies? Tell us in the comments below.
अनित अनित हाथ निकालना हाथ निकालना
अरे निकालो ये देख ये देख
अनित अनित हाथ निकालना हाथ निकालना
अरे निकालो ये देख ये देख
अनित अनित हाथ निकालना हाथ निकालना
Kartik Aaryan's much talked about rugged look for his upcoming musical romance, believed to be Aashiki 3, has become the center of jokes online. While the film is yet to release, comparisons with the surprise hit Sayyara have already started. And interestingly, Sam Merchant, who is rumored to be actress Tripti Dimri's boyfriend, couldn't help but join the online reaction. His cheeky emoji response to a meme targeting Kartik's appearance is now grabbing attention. A meme page recently shared a post that featured Kartik's look from Aashiki 3. The post poked fun at him with the caption, "भाई पूरा time भिखारी look में hype बनाता रह गया, उधर सैयारा ने बाजी मार ली." This loosely translates to someone joking that Kartik spent all his time trying to gain hype with a beggar-like look, while Sayyara ended up winning hearts. While fans reacted with laughs and comments, it was Sam Merchant's response that caught many eyes. He dropped a string of laughing emojis under the post, making it clear he enjoyed the roast. Tripti Dimri was once the lead in Aashiki 3. According to reports, Tripti Dimri was originally announced as the female lead opposite Kartik Aaryan in the film. But soon after, she was dropped from the project without any official explanation from the team. Reports suggested that the change was linked to Tripti's rising fame after her role in Animal. According to our sources, the fundamental requirement to be the heroine of Aashiki 3 is innocence reflecting through, and as observed by the team behind the film, Tripti Dimri with her recent films has become too exposed to be cast in this romantic film which demands purity in demeanor from the female lead. After Animal, there has been no buzz around her. More so, her solo standing at the box office hasn't proven profitable with her recent films. Shrillila is now the lead after Tripti's unexpected exit. The makers brought in Shrillila, known for her role in Pushpa 2, The Rule. The news surprised many fans who were excited to see Kartik and Tripti together. Although no official reason was given by the team for Tripti's exit. Rumors might finally be coming true. Tara Sutaria and Veer Paharia, the most talked about couple right now, were recently spotted together, dressed in matching white and turning heads at the airport. Is this the moment they've decided to make their relationship official? The internet can't stop buzzing, and we've got all the exciting details. At the airport, Tara and Veer looked perfectly coordinated in white. Veer played the perfect gentleman, opening the car door and helping Tara step out. Fans are already wondering, have they made their love public at last? Internet went crazy with comments like, "Tu hai to main hu," "It's official," and "The matchy vibe is looking tres chic." Meanwhile, Tara is making headlines with her new music video, Thodi Si Daru, featuring Punjabi star AP Dhillon and vocalist Shreya Ghoshal. But it wasn't just her chemistry with Dhillon that caught eyes, it was her playful interaction with rumored boyfriend Veer Pehriya that really lit up social media. Tara shared some behind-the-scenes photos from the shoot, looking stunning in a golden backless mini dress with a slit. Dhillon was casual yet stylish in a white shirt and a loose bow tie. But the sweetest part was Veer's comment on Tara's post. He wrote, "My," with a star and red heart emoji. Tara quickly replied with, "Mine," adding an evil eye and red heart emoji. This cute exchange sparked waves of excitement and fans flooding the comments with heart emojis and "happy for you" messages. Rumors about Tara and Veer began after Tara's breakup with Aadar Jain. Gossip heated up when they were spotted leaving the same restaurant separately, hinting at a secret dinner together. In June, the pair walked the ramp together at a fashion show and even went on a vacation to Italy, sharing similar photos from a yacht. While Tara was linked to Aadar Jain before, Veer's past connections include Sara Ali Khan and Manushi Chillar. Neither Tara nor Veer have officially confirmed or denied their relationship yet, but their recent appearances and social media moments are definitely fueling the rumor mill. What do you think? Is Tara and Veer's relationship now official? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
ताराजी रुकिए वहीं पे। एक सेकंड रुक जाना, ये थांबा ही। ताराजी यहाँ पे शांत पे रुकिए ना। साथ में रुक जाइए ना। यहाँ पे रुकिए, यहाँ पे। अरे एक साथ अरे।
Social media star Urfi Javed is once again breaking the internet, not with a bold outfit this time, but by bravely showing her real self after a painful cosmetic procedure. Urfi recently underwent a lip filler dissolving procedure through injections, which left part of her face visibly swollen. But instead of hiding it, she chose to share it all, raw and real, with her fans. She posted photos and videos revealing her swollen face, knowing it would invite trolls and harsh comments. And yes, it did. But Urfi, known for never backing down, had the perfect response. Dressed in a country-style blue and white off-shoulder checkered dress, Urfi looked radiant in her latest video. She shared that she's been getting lip fillers since the age of 18 and has now decided to embrace her natural look. Posting the video, she wrote, "All the trolling and the memes, honestly, I had a good laugh. Here you go, this is my face without the fillers or swelling now, not used to seeing my face or lips like that. I've used a lip plumper here though." Once again, she owned her journey with honesty and confidence. Celebs and co-contestants from The Traitors showered her with love. Anshula Kapoor commented, "Beaut," Jasmine Bhasin wrote, "Beautiful, beautiful," and Divya Agrawal added, "You are beautiful." In a world obsessed with perfection, Urfi Javed reminds us that being real is the most beautiful thing you can be. What do you think about Urfi's honest reveal? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.
उर्फी जी मास्क निकालिए।
विदाउट मास्क
मैम मजा नहीं आएगा मैम। रुक जाइए ना उर्फी मैम। मैम नाराज है। अच्छा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या मैम? अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट किए मैम। ओके वो बात करना चाहते हैं।